What's up guys, it's me Solomon. I'm back the the channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your RAM, how you can use your pen drive as RAM of your computer. So if you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. And so without wasting time, let's begin. First of all, you need to plug your pen drive in your computer, and then you need to go to your my computer, and you can see here your removable disks in a removable storage section, and simply you need to simply format this by clicking right and simply clicking on format and click on start. Okay, wait for a second. Oh, here completed, and you need to click right, and you need to go to properties. And once you enter here in the properties and click on ready, and use this device as your virtual machine, memory, and you can set as much you like. So I'm setting it up to 49 for MB. My pen drive is 32 GB, so it will automatically choose this. So simply click on apply, wait for a minute. So guys, here you can see it has already it has been chosen as your RAM, and now you can use the computer without any problem or without any storage problems. So hope you guys, this if it is useful for you, then please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get our latest video. Thanks for watching our